Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on wherever you're watching this video from. It's another beautiful yet it's a bad weather day today at Heathrow Airport. Also watching them land. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for tuning by. We hope you'll have an amazing moment. You'll enjoy, just these few minutes with us as we watch these beautiful birds, beautiful aircrafts, and wonderful crews take down from the skies. So, firstly, we have our British Airways Boeing 777, all the way from New York, John F. Kennedy, to London, departed 6 hours and 5 minutes ago. Can't really say it's a long flight, but really, it is a long flight, but not really that long. But yeah, it's a beautiful aircraft here, Boeing 777. Although my best in this range still remains the Dreamliner, the 787. Oh, what a beautiful aircraft! We had an amazing session last time on my previous video. When the last aircraft that we saw was a beautiful 787, beautiful Dreamliner. Just go and check it out when you find some time. So yeah, that's just enjoy this beautiful moment. So let's see who's coming next. It's a British Airways 727. I don't really see much of these nowadays, eh? It's a very very old aircraft, A320, A320 2 series, like A320-251. This is a very very old aircraft, but it's nice to see them, still flying, still strong, still serving the masses. All the way from Geneva to London Heathrow Airport, departed a minute and 28 minutes ago. It's a very very short flight. Ground speed 122 knots. Touchdown. Beautiful landing. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed, and also the bell button. Whenever we post another video, you get the notification and then you get to watch the video first. And yeah, guys, let's just enjoy plane spotting. And also feel free to share this video with other YouTubers who may think might enjoy watching similar content. What a beautiful day. And then who is next? It's another Airbus 320 all the way from Frankfurt, British Airways. And then after this A320, we have a large aircraft that is coming. We have the Dreamliner. My favorite, my bloody favorite. So yeah, still at it. It's Airbus 320, British Airways, all the way from Frankfurt, landing at Heathrow Airport. It's really a short flight. And let's get ready for the Dreamliner. Beautiful. We don't have a lot of 320s in South Africa. I think in this segment we've got more 737s. Yeah, more 737s. And then in Johannesburg and Cape Town we have more Embraers E190 and E145 operated by Airlink. So yeah, these are the aircraft that we have that are performing these short trips. And before this video ends, we have got an Airbus A380 coming all the way from Miami to London. So just wait up. No, don't just skip this video. Wait for the A380, and then I think we should be done. There she is, 787. What a beautiful aircraft, guys. This is amazing. This is beautiful. Virgin Atlantic, all the way from Bengaluru. It's a very very long trip. Departed 10 hours 16 minutes ago. Dreamliner landing at London Heathrow Airport. Ground speed 141 knots. Beautiful landing, beautiful sight. Blessed is the Heathrow airport today. She's amazing. She is beautiful. She's long. She's perfect. Ah. And let's see who's next. So baby 319, Airbus 319, British Airways BA565 BAW6NL, all the way from Milan. Then departed an hour and 27 minutes ago. Ground speed 119 knots. Landing beautifully at Heathrow Airport. Your visibility is impaired today. Worse than yesterday. Yesterday's visibility was also not at its best, but today I think it's worse. And then let's see who is next in line. British Airways Boeing 777, all the way from Atlanta, landing nicely at London Heathrow Airport. Departed 7 hours 22 minutes ago. Call sign BA226 BAW23T. Ground speed 109 knots. Beautiful. Boeing 777-236ER. Whew, wow. You wanna land with the big boys. Now, I just like what they did with these aircrafts, for an aircraft of this size, back then you would find that we had the likes of Airbus 340s, which had 4 engines, and then that subsequently meant that these aircrafts used a lot of fuel, and they were not cheap to maintain, and keep running. So what they've done here is very much revolutionary, because they've created the same size airlines but with 2 engines, reducing or increasing fuel efficiency, meaning that we can fly for long with less. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, they can fly for long with the same capacity of passengers and and cargo for less, and then obviously increasing profitability in the business. Oh, and then following is another Boeing 777, United Airlines Star Alliance livery. I love them, they're beautiful.
My work is easy because I use ClickUp.